You've literally built a habit of not executing on your own plans, and we're going to change that today. Failing to plan isn't just planning to fail, it's also you training on a cellular level your subconscious mind to choose loser every time. And if that is the case and you've been doing it for a long enough period of time, you're going to make loser choices as the default that your subconscious mind default to every time when you need to make a decision, when you need to make a move and get some more motion, whether it's, in whichever area of your life, you're training your subconscious to choose loser you. And I know for a fact you don't want to be that person. I know for a fact you don't want to be a loser and punk out on your own self. You're ready to build a rich life on purpose. If this sounds like you and it's something that you need to work on, make sure you continue watching, because we're going to work together and I'm going to give you some insight on why this is, but most importantly, the steps to take so that simple decision making is your default. If this sounds familiar, be sure to keep watching this video. I'm going to go into why this happens really quick, and then I'm going to share the exact steps and mindset that you need so that you can override this programming. All right, so before I continue, I want to talk about my 7-day Start Before You're Ready challenge. It's a 7-day free challenge where your guide, walk you through using my workbook. The link is in the description, where I walk you through choosing one thing in one area of your life that you're going to focus on building or improving upon or changing in 7 days. I know you have 7 days to give yourself a chance at building self-trust, self-confidence, and this is going to be the starting point for your journey on transforming your life, mastering your mind, and getting more fulfillment. Is what I did to lose 50 pounds last year, is what I'm doing to lose 50 more pounds this year, is what I did to start a business, to start writing my newsletter almost exactly a year ago. Every single Saturday is what I'm doing to build my book publishing company, is what I'm doing in so many other areas of my life, in my personal life, in my professional life, as a homeschool mom. So if you are a procrastinator, an overthinker, you're fear-led, you're fearful, or you just have no idea where to start, the 7-day Start Before You're Ready challenge is perfect for you, because the thing that's very important for you to remember is in the title. You're going to start before you're ready, because when you start, you get ready. When you start, you get the steps, you get more clarity on where it is you're trying to go. If you're just doing a lot of pre-planning, overthinking, procrastinating, letting fear, doubt get in your head, or you have no clue where to go because there's so many options, then this is the perfect challenge for you. All right, so click the link in the description. I've made it exactly for you. I know, because I was there one time, and it's time to go up. It's time to change your life. It's time to level up in every which way. And I know you can do it, because this is your one life, and we're going to make the best of it. All right, so back to today's video. All right, so every time you say, I'm going to start on Monday, I'll wake up early, I need to get serious, I need to do this, I need to stop BSing myself. Every time you say those things and then you don't follow through, that's a big problem. You're training yourself to be a one not worthy of trust. So, but you expect to trust other people to trust you when you can't trust yourself. You see how that don't work? You are literally training a pattern. You have an idea, love your idea, great idea, do it, but you take no action. And then again, nothing happens. And you do this over such a long period of time that is just your default. It's your default. It's what you expect of yourself, and it's what others expect of you. So when they hear your idea, they're not even enthused. They're not even, not that they should always be enthused and not that they should know how to help you, but after so much, you'll get burnt out too. If you kept hearing an idea and the person that you love or that you're around take no action with nothing happening, and then the cycle continues over and over and over again, because your brain is auto suggesting you quitting, because that's what you've practiced. You've practiced having an idea, not doing nothing, boom, over and over. So what that means is, it's not that you even lack discipline. You've literally built a habit of not executing on your own plans, and we're going to change that today. You probably used to do a good job when you had a grade behind it. You know you're going to get your diploma, you know you're going to get a degree, you know you're going to get a raise, but when it comes to you, I want you to push that back to the forefront, because you matter. Your execution on your plan matters. It don't just need to stay in your head. It needs to come out. You're going to grow in every way when it comes out. So how to get from auto suggesting loser decisions to the other side? First and foremost, if you are waking up without a plan, if you are deciding everything in the moment, and if you are relying on how I feel, you're not going to do anything. You're not going to move forward. You have to decide ahead of time, or your feelings will decide for you. All the plan is simply making a decision. It's not rocket science. Stop overthinking it. It's literally you making a decision. I made a decision. I'm just going to eat one meal a day. I need to up my step count to 12,500, or this is no longer going to work. I need to get into building a stronger body, not just for aesthetics, but for longevity, flexibility, endurance. I need to make money in my own way so that I can have the flexibility to be location independent. I need to learn whatever it is for you, whatever it is for you. Those things require you making a decision. It's not rocket science. So I know you got this because you decided to click on this video and you're still watching. So I know you're ready for it. And so, like I said, planning isn't complicated. You make the decision. Write it down. Take some time. Put on some binaural beats. Put on "Ring My Bell." They said that's like a good manifestation song. You can ring my bell. That song, yeah. Play that or play the instrumental if you get distracted easily. On low, play some binaural beats. You got your playlist. Play that. Sit down, make some decisions on your life. Your life, your dream life depends on you making some decisions. That's it. Make the decision, make the decision, make the decision. On a day-to-day basis, so in the container of you sitting down with your music, your flowing, your planning, you have your big plan. That plan is going to anchor you. Where you're going to really bloom is being able to ask yourself a yes or no question in a moment when you have to make a decision. This is the question you need to be able to ask yourself. Is choosing this building towards my dream life or taking away from it? Is this fueling my dream life or is this starving my dream life? If it's fueling your dream life, yes, choose it. If it's not, don't choose it. You know what I mean? Like, simple. Simple. I'm doing this right now. I'm doing this right now. I've done this and I'm going to continue to do this. This is the discipline on how to execute. This is the groundwork on execution. This is what people who you see change their life that you're inspired by. You're like, how are they doing that? They're making decisions. They're making sound decisions that contribute to their transformation, their growth. They're choosing to love themselves. They're choosing to love their life. Does that mean you have to eat rice and boiled potatoes and ground beef forever? No. This is if you're on a weight loss journey. I'm just saying. You know what I mean? Like you know what I mean? But no, this isn't that. It's a season. In some seasons you make different decisions for certain reasons, but they all contribute to you lifting yourself up. So, for example, you need to work out every day. Pick your workout ahead of time, put it in your calendar. So on that morning or that evening, whenever you work out, you literally just click the date, boom, it's right there. I did that. That worked. I didn't have to think about what I was doing. I literally had 90 days scheduled. And towards the end, I scheduled the next 90 days. It's no take the thinking out of it. You can choose all your clothes for the next week on Friday before your weekend begins, especially if you're a mom. Choose all the clothes for the next week. The weekend clothes. If you are in uniforms, that's super easy. Having it already laundered, ironed, dry cleaned, whatever, and just have it. Boom. That's you making less decisions in the morning time. Meal prep on Sunday. You don't have to meal prep everything. You can just cook prep. You season stuff and freeze it. You cook a few days because I don't really like microwave food like that either. You know what I mean? Whatever. That's you just doing the basics. And then when it comes to you making the decisions on the things that aren't a part of your everyday life, like if you're learning a language or if you're building a business or if you're shooting for something that's out of like your everyday, you have to do these things. Doing that will free up your time and your mind. Doing those things will free up the space and clear out the clutter so that you can have clarity on what it is you need to be doing. It's just a decision. Decide. I need you to decide and stop getting behind on your dream life. All right, and last but not least, I don't think I numbered anything, but I want you to realize you're not changing your whole life overnight. What you're planning is you're planning in sprints. You're executing stabilizing, then you go again. That's all those 7-day challenges. That's all the 100-day challenges. That's what it's about. That is actually how you build a new life, and it lasts. If you've done this before, you've done the 7 14-day challenges, and then after the challenges your momentum went down, or you started a challenge and you were embarrassed or ashamed that you didn't finish, so you go no contact with your leader. Stop all that. Stop it right now before I get that belt. Before I get that switch. No abuse, but I'm just saying, you're probably trying to run a sprint for a long period of time. You're going to plan in sprints, execute, stabilize, then do it again. Plan in sprints, execute, stabilize, then do it again. Do what you got to do. If you got to make it a song, make it a bop. If you have to make it dance, lean with it, rock. Like whatever you have to do, I want you to build a rich life on purpose. I want you to master your mind, transform your life, and get more fulfillment out of this life. So if you are ready to build a rich life on purpose, I'm talking about mentally, physically, spiritually, and financially, make sure you subscribe. What are you doing? Be sure to hit the subscribe button. I truly appreciate it when you do. My name is Spivey J, and I hope you have a wonderful planning day. Let's get to it. Peace.